Most disc sanders sold online ship with cheap bearings that seize after light use. Buy wrong, and you'll waste time and end up with worn-out collection and wobble. Ever struggled to finish fine work without gouges or chatter on a tight budget? This video will guide you to smooth, safe, and reliable sanding options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best disc sander that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEWALT DWE6421K. From the moment you unbox the DEWALT Orbital sander, its solid grip and balanced weight communicate professional reliability. Designed to fit close to the workpiece, the shorter height helps you sand in tight corners without sacrificing control. The build quality balances rugged metal housing with a rubber overmold grip, ensuring comfort and resilience during extended sanding sessions. The separate counterweight design significantly reduces vibration, so your hands stay comfortable and your sanding remains precise across long jobs. An integrated dust port connects directly to common dust collectors, while the dust-sealed switch guards internal components against dust ingress. The one-handed locking dust bag attaches securely to the sander, simplifying cleanup and helping maintain a cleaner work area during sanding. When connected to a compatible vacuum, dust collection is noticeably efficient, reducing mess and keeping your lines visible for precise finish work. In real-world testing, the sander maintains steady pad rotation at 12,000 OPM, delivering consistent finish across soft and hardwood surfaces. When placed side by side with a comparable budget sander from a rival brand, the DEWALT demonstrates smoother operation and steadier dust control. The pros include durable construction, reduced vibration, and strong dust collection. The cons include higher price and slightly heavier weight. The compact body and comfortable rubber grip enable prolonged sanding sessions without fatigue, especially on edge work and stair stringers. Dust collection compatibility remains a standout with direct-to-collector connections and simple adapters, keeping your workstation cleaner during demanding projects. Overall, this sander fits a professional workshop's needs by delivering reliable performance, comfortable handling, and practical dust management throughout varied tasks. At number 4, we have the BOSCH ROS20VSC. This palm sander is clearly aimed at finish carpenters, cabinet makers, and DIY enthusiasts who crave minimal swirl and dust control during polishing. The body uses a palm-friendly design with durable materials and a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended sanding sessions. The sander weighs roughly 2.5 pounds, balancing in hand for comfortable manipulation during long sessions and minimizing user fatigue. A variable speed dial lets users match speed to the material and task, ensuring controlled material removal and smoother finish. Integrated vacuum dust collector and microfilter system capture fine dust and particles as small as half a micron. Hook and loop attachment keeps discs secure with a firm grip and makes pad changes quick and simple. Powered by a 2.5 amp motor, it delivers 7,500 to 12,000 OPM for controlled material removal. The pad dampening system is designed to minimize swirl marks on both flat surfaces and contoured profiles, delivering a consistently smooth finish. In hands-on testing, the BOSCH ROS20VSC offered fast material removal with minimal vibration and almost no swirl on flat panels. Compared with a leading Festool model, the BOSCH ROS20VSC offers comparable speed yet lower price and a fully integrated dust collection. The pros include strong build quality, excellent dust collection, and a consistent swirl-free finish. The cons include higher price than basic competitors and slightly heavier weight than some compact sanders. The dust canister features a transparent design that shows dust levels at a glance and detaches easily for mess-free disposal. Pad changes are quick thanks to the hook and loop system and standard 5-inch discs, making swapping grits effortless. At number 3, we have the Galax Orbital sander. This palm sander clearly targets woodworkers, refinishing furniture, and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable dust control and smooth results. The sander uses a 125mm sanding pad to cover larger areas quickly and maintain consistent finish. A built-in dust collection bag helps keep the workspace clear, reducing cleanup time and improving visibility during refinishing tasks. Ergonomic handling is reinforced by a rubberized soft grip and a well-balanced body for comfortable extended sessions. The housing feels rugged enough for workshop environments, with a compact form that reduces fatigue during long smoothing sessions. The tool delivers an orbital stroke of 1.25mm and can reach up to 13,000 rotations per minute. The package includes 15 discs in 80/120 grit along with the dust bag and user manual. The dust extraction system integrates with a collection bag, minimizing airborne dust and keeping sightlines clear during intricate sanding. The dust-sealed switch and conveniently located lock-on button enable continuous operation without sacrificing comfort or control during long sessions. With a robust ergonomic design and compact footprint, this sander remains balanced when sanding vertical surfaces or overhead projects. In practical testing, it maintains strong material removal on wood and metal, with the dust bag keeping the work area noticeably cleaner. Operating at the 13,000 RPM mark, the sander delivered surface smoothing while maintaining moderate vibration and comfortable handling during extended refinishing sessions. Compared to a traditional 2-speed orbital sander, the Galax model offers smoother dust control and a more compact balance. The pros include dust collection efficiency, large pad size for fast coverage, and ergonomic grip for long session comfort. The cons include a fixed 125mm pad, limiting versatility, and a higher price point compared with basic models. At number 2, we have the BOSCH ROS20VSC. From the outset, this model communicates professional intent with a robust feel and a comfortable grip that suits longer sanding sessions. This sander targets woodworkers, furniture restorers, and flooring pros who demand aggressive stock removal along with refined finish capability. Its dual mode offers finishing polish and a turbo boost, appealing to pros working on thresholds and large surface areas. The housing blends rugged plastic and metal components, delivering durability while maintaining a reasonable weight for extended use. A tapered top hand grip and side auxiliary handle provide versatile control during awkward angles and delicate stock removal. The compact 6-inch disc size, vibration dampening, and dust collection readiness emphasize practical portability and cleaner shop floors. Key features include a 7.5 amp variable speed motor delivering broad control over aggressive removal and fine finishing. Turbo mode unlocks 3 times the stock removal compared to standard random orbit, offering a dramatic option for fast material thinning. Passive dust collection works with compatible hoses, ensuring compatibility with common vacuum setups while requiring a vacuum and proper attachment. Field tests show smooth finishes in standard mode and a noticeable surge in material removal when turbo is engaged on dense hardwoods. The integrated grip and balanced weight reduce user fatigue during extended sessions, enabling longer productivity without sacrificing control. Durability in professional shops is enhanced by the well-engineered pad system and sturdy front handle mounting reliability. In direct comparison with a belt sander, this dual-mode tool delivers quicker hogging in turbo and finer finishes in random orbit. Pros include solid build quality, versatile dual-mode performance, and a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during long sessions. The cons include a relatively high price and reliance on an external vacuum for dust containment, which can complicate setup. At number 1, we have the Wagner 533. From the moment you hold it, the Wagner SprayTech paint heater communicates intent with a compact, rugged feel suited for DIYers and professionals. Its aluminum accents and molded body deliver sturdy construction while the 4.5-inch disc interface remains precise under constant use. Included is a 3M spun fiber disc, delivering balanced abrasion at 2,600 RPM for controlled paint removal. You can tilt the sander on its edge to bite through stubborn chips, or lay it flat to feather edges for repainting. A robust 3.2 amp motor delivers steady torque for paint removal on wood, metal, and masonry without excessive stall. Open web disc design minimizes paint loading and dust buildup, while the flex disc system conforms to contours for even results. The paint heater kit includes the paint heater unit and a compatible 3M spun fiber disc, enabling removal and feathering without sourcing extra discs. In practical use, the paint heater clears layers of exterior paint rapidly while maintaining surface integrity and leaving feathering ready for primer. The unit excels at edges and corners when feathering around trim, reducing prep time and ensuring even paint adhesion for next layer. During testing, users appreciated its balanced weight and reduced hand fatigue, enabling longer sessions without sacrificing control or finish quality. In tests with a rough multi-coat finish, the paint heater produced clean feathered edges that left a smooth transition for primer. Compared with conventional orbital sanders, this tool offers superior dust suppression due to the open web disc design and efficient debris evacuation. Compared with the Makita BO4900V, the Wagner paint heater removed paint faster and maintained crisper edges across profiles. The pros include powerful 3.2 amp motor, ergonomic palm grip design, and durable open web disc construction. The cons include limited dust management leading to a messier workspace and higher replacement disc costs impacting long-term upkeep.